cactus human. So you might wonder, how does anyone, or how did I come up with an idea to take a human and cover him with cactus? Well, honestly speaking, I didn't come up with an idea. I was actually not planning to create that, it just happened by accident. And this is how. I was just on Instagram checking one of my favorite artists, and recently he started doing works where he would use an images and then he would use some small people and add them to the image. And honestly speaking, it looks kinda cool. So I thought, hey, why don't I try to create something like that? Next thing I did, I went to unsplash.com and I searched here for people because I needed some small people so I can add them to an image. After searching dozens of images, I finally found the perfect one. So I found this image, which is an image of a pool. It's so cool, look, it's a pool on the top of the building. But this wasn't all. I found basically the people, but I also need some kind of image where I'm going to put the people on. So I thought, okay, maybe I just find some kind of fashion related image, and just typed fashion, and I started looking at images, and then this thing popped out here. This amazing image with bright yellow colors. I knew this is the right image. It's just like a perfect Tinder match. So I took this image and started experimenting in Photoshop. The first thing that I did is I selected this top and was trying to cover it with this image, so I created just a mask. And then I was trying to use some different blending modes to see if any of them look really nice. And they didn't look bad, but I didn't really like any of them, so I thought, okay, this is not the right way to go, I have to figure out something else. I even tried to cover her pants with the same pattern, but still, I mean, it looks nice, but this is not what I wanted to do. And then another brilliant idea hit me. I thought I'm gonna remove her belly, her head, and then I'm just gonna add some 3D lines. So I wanted to add something like this to this image here. So I just took spot healing brush tool and tried to remove this thing here, I mean the belly. But then something weird happened. It actually just added more of the clothing. And then I said, okay, what if I do the same to her head? Let's just see. Whoa, what is that? At that point I knew I am on to something really cool. Then I changed the color and added these guys to the top and to the bottom. And guess what? It looks like a cactus already. I mean, these are actually humans. Look. But, from far away, nobody will really know. This is gonna be our little secret. Don't tell anyone. But then I had another problem. I had to figure out a way to add some cactus stems to the image. And I remembered that one of my last artworks I used stems. And I thought I'm just gonna do the same thing again. So I took this image and then using color ranch, I clicked on the pink color and this color ranch selected all the pink colors on this image, and then I just needed to create a mask, and here you go, the cactus stems. And then I just added a lot of them. I just copy paste everywhere, copy paste. And then I went and added some black and white color to the stems, and it looked just perfect. And then did some color correction and pumped up the saturation up to 100%, and ta-da! And that's how you turn a human into a cactus by accident. And remember that if you want to master Photoshop, just go to learnfromfred.com and you will get access to my premium classes for a whole month for free. You can start learning for free, try it for 30 days, and then it's just $24 per month, and you get to create all of these amazing projects. That was it for today, guys, and see you on the next lesson.